Hey, we could use flashy images and cool stats that make us look awesome. But really, who cares? At the end of the day, you care about results that are measurable, predictable, and that have a high ROI. This is what we do every day in and day out. So here's a little video teaching you how we do this. Hold on to your pants, because we have results coming out of our pockets. Vanity metrics are dumb. A kid can be trained to type in keywords, slap together some ads, and hit a go button. And if that's your speed, feel free. Instead, we believe that a digital marketing strategy should be ROI-focused and insight-driven. The actual landing page experience is vital. We get it. For our clients, it's part science and part art. We aren't afraid to lead. Who was it that said fear could only exist in the thoughts of our future? When someone tells a leader that they can't withstand the storm, the leader whispers back, "I am the storm." Leaders create, sheep follow. The Sargent paid search team are makers, market leaders, market challengers, and market disruptors. We achieve predictable revenue, sustainable growth, and measurable results. We love our clients. We increase their market share. We lower their cost per acquisition. We optimize and manage campaigns. A and B test, optimize again, pick up their dry cleaning, and cook their dinner, whatever it takes. We do great for our clients, and they tell others. Rinse and repeat. Results are beautiful, results are brilliant, results are everything. Get some.